Hi guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Watch how Nengi stylishly accepted Ozo's love proposal. Nengi marked a territory in Ozo's life, saying his female friends would have to go through her to get access to him. The Bayelsa State born Rebecca Nengi Hamps has turned down Ozo's love proposal a million times, saying there can never be anything romantic between them. Until yesterday, when a comment she made suggests she may have agreed to his request and wants his potential girlfriends. Enjoy the video.
There on Sunday. You must sleep there Monday, right? Okay?
Yeah. True. Fine boy. How are your female fans there? You know they have to go through me. They have to see. In fact, I need.